Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English. I'm Eminata, your host, and today I'm not just here to speak to your ears. I'm here to speak to your soul. Because this video is not just a video. It is a mirror showing you the person you are and the powerful person you can become. This is a video you didn't just choose to watch. It was meant for you. You are here because your inner voice knows it's time to take control of your life, your emotions, and most importantly, your mind. So the question is, who is really in control? Your mind or you? Today, Eminata from Daily English is here to give you the key to inner power, the key to peace, the key to mastering your emotions, your thoughts, your habits, and your future. So don't just watch. Feel this video. Don't just listen, connect with it. This is the video that will help you take control of the most powerful thing in the world, your own mind. And before we start, let me tell you, this video is great for your English, too. Because when you dive into powerful, real-life topics like this, you don't just learn how to control your mind, you also learn English in a way that truly sticks and grows with you. Before we start, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new lessons. Comment your ideas and questions below. Tell me what you want to learn next. And share this video with your friends, because together we can grow in English and in life. Now, are you ready? Let's begin. So get ready to transform both your mindset and your English. Today on Daily English with Eminata, I'm going to give you 15 powerful tips to control your mind and your emotions. Let's begin. This is your first step to real power. Tip 1. Avoid temporary pleasure. If it feels good now, but destroys you later, it's not pleasure. It's a trap. We live in a world of instant gratification. Sad? Scroll. Stressed? Eat junk. Lonely? Text the wrong person. It feels good for a moment, but later, you feel empty, guilty, tired. That's not happiness. That's addiction. Real control is simple but not easy. Say no to what's easy, and yes to what's right. It's 11 p.m. Your phone says, one more episode. But your future says, sleep. In that moment, you are building your life. Ask yourself, what will this choice give me in 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month? If the answer is pain, walk away. Because warriors are not built in big moments. They are built one small decision at a time. Tip 2. Use intelligence, not impulses. You were given a brain, not just to react, but to respond with wisdom. Most people react. Angry? They shout. Bored? They waste time. Hurt? They attack. But intelligent people pause. They observe. They think. They ask, is this helping me or destroying me? Someone insults you. Your impulse says, fight back. But your intelligence says, why lose my peace for their poison? Your mind is a vehicle. Your emotions? They are passengers. They can speak, but they should never drive. So next time you feel overwhelmed, pause, breathe, count to 5, and then choose the smarter response. Tip 3. Master your 5 senses. Your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your touch, your focus. These are gateways to your mind. Everything that enters shapes who you become. If you feed your mind with negativity, your thinking becomes weak. If you consume noise all day, your mind loses clarity. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you allow in will grow. So ask yourself, what am I watching? What am I listening to? What am I allowing into my life? Choose growth. Choose peace. Choose purpose. Because what you feed your mind today becomes your life tomorrow. Tip 4. Choose your memories carefully. Your past is not a prison, but your focus can turn it into one. Many people replay their pain again and again and again. Their mistakes, their failures, their wounds. And slowly, they become those memories. But you have a choice. You can flip the page. Remember the moments you were strong, the times you didn't quit, the lives you touched. Say this to yourself. I stop feeding my pain. I choose to remember my power. You are not your scars. You are the strength that survived them. Tip 5. Use auto-suggestions. Your mind listens to what you repeat. If you keep saying, "I'm weak," "I can't do this," "I always fail," your mind will believe it. But you can change that. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror, look into your eyes, and say, "I am calm in chaos. I control my mind. I grow stronger every day." At first, it feels strange, but repetition creates belief, and belief creates reality. Program your mind before the world programs it for you. Tip 6. Understand the psychology of emotions. Stop fighting your emotions. Start understanding them. Anger is not the enemy. It's a signal of unfairness. Fear is not weakness. It's a signal to prepare. Every emotion has a message, but most people ignore it or run from it. Instead, ask, "Why do I feel this? What is this teaching me?" Because the moment you name an emotion, you begin to control it, understand it, and you tame it. Tip 7. Surround yourself with empowering people. Your environment shapes your mind. If you are surrounded by negativity, your thinking becomes negative. If you are surrounded by growth, you rise. Negative people are like poison. They drain your energy. They kill your focus. But empowering people, they inspire you. They challenge you. They elevate you. Remember this. You become the average of the people you spend time with. So choose wisely. Even if it's through videos, voices, or books. Choose people who build you, not break you. Tip 8. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking is a myth. When you try to do everything, you achieve nothing. Your mind needs direction. One task, one focus, one goal. Because scattered attention creates weak results. But focused energy, that creates power. Try this. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Choose one task.
No distractions.
Just focus. Because where your focus goes, your energy flows. Tip 9. Challenge negative thoughts. There is a voice in your head, and sometimes it lies. You're not good enough. You will fail. You can't do this. That voice is your inner bully, and you don't have to believe it.
Fight back. Ask,
"Is this really true?" Replace it with truth. "I am prepared. I am learning. I am strong." Because your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your life. Tip 10. Visualize your goals. Your mind cannot tell the difference between imagination and reality. So use it. See your future clearly. If you want to speak English fluently, imagine yourself on a stage, speaking confidently. People listening, applauding. Feel it, live it in your mind. Because what you see repeatedly, you start to believe. And what you believe, you begin to create. Tip 11. Set clear intentions. Don't start your day randomly. Start it with direction. Wake up and say, "Today, I will be focused. Today, I will stay calm. Today, I will improve." Intentions are like a compass. They guide your actions. They control your direction. Without them, your mind drifts. With them, your mind leads. Tip 12. Develop self-discipline. Self-discipline is doing what is right, even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early. It's working when you're tired. It's choosing growth over comfort. It's not easy, but it builds strength. Every small win makes you stronger. So choose this. What you want most over what you want now. That's how warriors are built. Tip 13. Practice mindfulness. Most people live in the past or worry about the future. But life happens
right now.
When you eat, just eat. When you walk, just walk. When you breathe, just breathe. Be present. Because peace exists in the moment. Not yesterday. Not tomorrow. Right here.
Tip 14. Meditate regularly.
Your mind is noisy. Constant thoughts. Constant stress. Meditation is how you clean it. You don't need 1 hour. Start with 5 minutes.
Sit quietly.
Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. That's it.
Do it daily.
And slowly, your mind becomes calm, clear, and powerful. Tip 15. Journal. Turn pain into power. Your thoughts can be heavy.
So don't keep them inside.
Write them down. Write your pain. Write your fears. Write your struggles. And then, write your strength. Write your progress. Write what you're proud of. Because when you write, you understand yourself. And when you understand yourself, you take control. You are not just living your story, you are writing it. Final closing. Your mind is powerful, but only if you control it. Not every day will be easy, but every day is a chance to grow stronger. So don't try to change everything. Start with one habit, one decision, one moment of control. If you're still here watching Daily English with Eminata, this is for you. From my heart to yours, I know life can feel heavy sometimes. Some days you want to give up and feel like nobody understands you, but I do. Everything will be okay. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but step by step, with small actions, things will get better. You are not alone. You are not broken. You are healing, you are growing, and you are becoming. And no matter what your goal is, whether it's to speak English fluently, to heal from your past, to become successful, or simply to wake up with peace in your heart, I, Eminata, believe in you. Even if no one else does, Daily English does. Because the people who keep trying, even when they're tired, are the ones who go the farthest. So don't give up, okay? Your story is not over yet. Your best days are still ahead of you.
Take a deep breath.
Close your eyes for a moment and promise yourself, I will not quit. I am stronger than this. I am enough. I'm proud of you. I'm with you. And I'll see you again tomorrow on Daily English. Until then, keep going. Keep believing. Keep loving yourself because you're going to make it. If you liked this, subscribe, comment your ideas and questions below, and share this video with your friends.